Uthi uNkulunkulu kimi South Africa, our land, our country, our beloved country. Amen. There is this thing ezayo engekho right. Amen. And this thing that is coming mzwakhe noma nje ngathi ucisha kancane keyboard. Lento ezayo mzwakhe, it will affect us all, even now esikhawini nami emabhuyeni. They are doing these meetings ukuze kuba ne-national strike. Kodwa kule national strike bongo kukhona abantu abazoyisebenzisa for looting. Kodwa kule national strike bongo kukhona abantu abazoyisebenzisa for looting. Le national strike abayiplanayo kuzoba khona looting mathenjwa. Kunabantu abazobhodloza izitolo bentshontsha izinto ezitolo nama-fridge njengoba nanibaleka. Ngangazi ukuthi mina umuntu uyakwazi ukuqukula i-fridge ngabona nge-looting.
Batho nke coke ke fridge ya coke ya ba sia my friend. Ke tla le poster.
Umongameli akatshale amaphoyisa azoqapha amadolobha amakhulu. Amen. Ukuze singabi ne-Richards Bay ibhodokhi kuthiwa iluthiwe uNkulunkulu wami. Kuthiwa iSanlam Center iluthiwe. Amen. Because umnotho wethu mathenjwa awuvumi ukuthi siqale phansi si rebuild the infrastructures. Bazalwane bami, asikhulekelele South Africa, our land. This is our country, this is our land. Remember, land yobu prophet ayikho eParliament nase South Africa. Because abantu abase Parliament nase South Africa, they don't believe in prophetic. If when prophet babona ngazathi uyadlala, you are just playing, you are just kidding. What you are doing is useless. But what I'm saying is what is going to happen.